Hi guys, Anne-Marie here, and today I'm going to walk you through the handmade Christmas cards that I received. I try to do this most every year. A little bit behind, but you know, that's okay. Considering I just mailed out some more Christmas cards today, and it is Christmas. You know, it's just the way it works sometimes. All right, first up is this piece card. This is from Glossy. And she's got some really pretty inking on a raised surface and some matting, very pretty. All right, so this one's from Tanya, and this one has some really pretty shading with white ink, more stamping with snowflakes and the trees, a moon, and the topper. That's like a lot of layering and a lot of detail. It's really pretty. This one's from Kelly. This is so pretty. Look at all the little colorful snowflake in the background. So she must have made a background because it looks hand stamped to me. And then die cut the panel. And this is popped with some foam and the glitter on that snowflake. It's so intricate too. I never have this good of results, I feel like, with really intricate dies. And look at that, there's like three snowflakes. It's so pretty. This is from Vicky with this fun fold. I love this look. And then you open it and it's kind of like a surprise little pop of color. This one's from Chris. That snowman is cute. So he's stamped and die cut, and it looks like the rest of Noel is also stamped. This one's from Sue. This wreath, again, with the intricate die cut. Ladies, you need to teach me your secrets. 2 layers of the wreath, and then, oh my gosh, these berries. You have the patience of a saint. I am not that patient person. Those are beautiful. All right, this one's from Leanna. Oh, that's so pretty. Embossed foiled cardstock. It's just so pretty. Like that's a dry embossed foil cardstock. And then she also did heat embossing with metallic powder. So it's so shiny. Very pretty. And I love the contrast of like the shiny foil metallic with the craft. This one's from No Frills. Have a holly jolly with all the holly touches. And then an accent for holly with kind of die cutting an extra out of just red, or trimming out. It looks like maybe die cut the whole thing and then trimmed out the holly. So it was layered. But those glittery holly leaves, those are so pretty. This one's from Sonia. I love the folk art style. And again, you're just such a patient, wonderful person, because I don't know, the thought of having to keep track of all these pieces and glue them in where they go, it's just amazing to me. But it's also stunning, so it was obviously worth it. This next one is Spokane Mom. This is so classy. Season's greetings and metallic heat embossing. Some layered stamping with the wreath. 3 layers maybe, because we've got, well, 4 because of the berries. It looks like white ink and then also glitter. I'm not sure if you stickled the white berries after, but it's so pretty. And again, I just really love the metallic glittery touches contrasting with the craft. Sorry if that was off frame. Make sure you can see all the glitter anymore. This is from Gym Girl. It says, let it snow. It looks like maybe it's printed, but it also could be, I'm trying to tell if that label is stamped or printed. I'm not sure. And then the snowflake stickers and pattern paper. And then maybe this is a peel off. One of those peel off stickers, the Lizzie peel offs or whatever. Very pretty. All right, this one is from Pix and Art. Love the color combo here. And this pink with the dry embossed kind of pine needle texture is really pretty. And look at the stitching. Gosh, I mean, seriously, there's so many details here because you have to cut the shadow. You have to cut the word. You have to cut another ornament. Then you have to stitch the ornament and you have to layer and tie on a bow and die cut out of multiple colors. And it's just so impressive. It's really, really pretty. This one's from Smickle, SMCL. Oh, this is pretty. It looks like Brilliance ink that she stamped the snowflakes in and then die cut them all. And I love the gold with this kind of turquoise, light blue, and a panel of gold. Very pretty. This one is from Scoobers. Lots of pretty layers. Lots of them, goodness. Very nice collage effect, and I love the cardinal motif. Happy Christmas. This one's from Kate, and I think I'm recognizing an Anna Griffin card kit with some popped Happy Christmas sentiment and die cuts. Very pretty. This one is from Duchess of Stuff, and I love this. It's got some nice inking, very consistent, and gives a really nice subtle shadow effect. With, again, super intricate die cut. I'm bowing to you. With the glitter cardstock too. I can't imagine that was easy. It wouldn't have been for me. But that's very pretty. And I really hope that you save these little, because it looks like they were berries and holly. Because you could have die cut this also out of, you know, another color, but then use those little red dots on another one. Pretty. Sorry, I know I'm saying they're all pretty, but they are all pretty. All right, this one's from Sarah. And we can have some layers of Christmas papers and then some ornament stickers and a popped sentiment. Cute. This one's from Pam. I had to make sure I was turning it the right way. I really love this color combo too. I guess it's kind of similar. It's like a pale blue, green with different saturations of the pink and burgundy and this metallic kind of foiled paper. I'm wondering if you did hot foil, Pam, or if that was paper that came like that. I could see either way. Oh, and that border, look at the tiny stars. I don't know if you can see that. They're so tiny. That's so pretty. This one's from Garage Sailor. Again, with all the metallic, I love it. These are holographic bubbles kind of in the back. And that's very detailed, oh my goodness. So this is a die cut and embossed tree out of foil, but then I'm trying to get close enough so you can see it. All these little red, they look like Nuvo drops maybe. Very fine tipped bottle though. There too, very pretty. This one's from Scrap Creator. Got some gnomes. My daughter loves gnomes, so she liked this card. Some layered stickers. I love the different kind of border styles that were layered. And the different sizes of the circles. That's nice. They're cute. This one's from Penny. And Penny, gosh, gorgeous stenciling. We were trying to count like how many layers this was. So there was the pink, and then the darker pink, and the red, and the like burgundy. So 4, right? Maybe. And then maybe a 5th, because maybe you did that stenciling with embossing ink and then heat embossed. So I said we. It's because we open these at the dinner table. So kind of the whole Christmas season, once these start rolling in, we'll kind of split them up. If I get, 2 in one day, then each kid will get one to open. If I get 3, then, we'll just spread them out and then take turns opening them and then oohing and awing. This one's from Misa's mom. Hello, Santa. I like this one. It's lots of stickers and die cuts. This is I love this because this is something you can assembly line and it's something flat, so it's very easy to mail. But since it is layers, you still get depth and texture. Oh, this one. This is Martha. Kids loved this one too. They were very impressed with all of the penguins saying something different and the sentiment going all the way across. And the coloring, I was impressed with the coloring. And I like the gold and the background paper. It kind of looks like snow. This one's from Kaleidoscope, and this one was really cool. First of all, it's got a creative fold, right? And it's got this bow die cut added, and it looks like a gift wrapped. I think that's so clever. But then also on the inside, I don't know if this is right, but it looks like maybe she was able to upcycle another Christmas card here. And I think that's so smart. I love it. All right, this one's from Lisa. My daughter loved the mouse. We thought it was cute. And we're trying to decide if that's colored pencil or watercolor. Maybe Copics? I don't know, but it's pretty and there's very nice shading. And I love the sparkliness. Very cute. This one's from Mel. This is another really smart one. May your season sparkle with lots of metallic, beautiful, detailed, layered die cut. And it's a 1-layer card. Like, not even a bifold card. It's a, I don't know how to describe it. I just think it's really smart. I had a few more that I received and I wanted to add those in here. This one's from Laura. It's got some nice layering. And this, I wonder if this is a sticker or a cut apart card. It's almost textured. And I love the little foil dots on the trees. See if you can see those.